Hi, and welcome to another edition of Lee's Thoughts. And today, a vendor has sent me a free product. This is a paid review. Let's get straight to it. This, if you know anything about us, we're full-time RVers, and this is an RV exterior utility porch light. It comes in handy for us because we had just changed our awning and we lost our RV porch light because of the awning change out. So this is going to be great for us. I do have a 12-volt appearance out underneath our awning, so all I have to do is just hook this up to the 12-volt appearance. This comes in a set of two, so I'll have a backup, which is wonderful. So today, what I'm going to do is I'm going to install one of these awning lights. What's really cool about these awning lights is it has three colors of light. It has a bright white light. It has a yellow light, which is better for bugs, and then it has a red light, which, let's see what we have. I think it's pretty basic. I read the instructions. I mean, if you know anything about basic wiring, and it's 4 screws. It's very easy. Now you have to be careful when you're screwing things into an RV, of course. You want it to be sealed in, but the instructions are good. It's 2 wires. In fact, there are the 2 wires. It comes with a gasket to make sure that you're watertight, which in an RV is very important. You want everything to be watertight. You don't want water getting into your RV. So your RV light, and you just take that cover off like that. And then you have 4 appearances for the screw holes right here, here, and here. And you're just going to simply mount that wherever you want on your RV. Hook up these 2 lights, or these 2 wires, red to red, black to black. Then of course, make sure you get your gasket on. And it's that simple. And then you have a button here to turn it on. All right, so I'm going to put my light right here. I'm going to move this around here so you can see it. I'm going to put my light right here. So I have to drill my holes right here. And now that my holes are drilled, we're going to hook up the wires, red to red, black to black. Always twist your wires up first. I'm just using some wire nuts. So we're just finishing up, putting in my last screw here, just like that, and we're all set. I just need to put the light cover on. All right, so now I'm going to bring this out here so you can see it. So we can bring it through the cycles. There's a light, yellow for anti-bugs, then a kind of a security night light for just nighttime. Go out and get your 12-volt RV light today.